viewers and my subscribers, a pleasant good morning to you. The 2nd of November. How are you doing? Christmas is coming. Holy God. How are you doing, my viewers and my subscribers? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel, and thank you for making a comment on my channel. Alright, love you guys. I love you. I love you with all of my heart. Alright, big up yourself, everybody. Everyone that listen to my channel and watch my channel and view my channel, thank you very much. Alright, this morning, Saturday morning, time cold now. Time is very cold this morning. So this morning I'm going to cook some soup, or today I'm going to cook some soup, some pigtail with red peas. Alright, so I'm going to show you the process as I go. So watch the process. Alright. So, can you see? This is my pigtail. Alright. I already put it to soak from last night. Okay. So, I have my water on the stove ready. Can you see? Put the pigtail. Alright. Can you see, guys? Alright. So I'm going to put that to boil. So I'm going to scald it off or boil it off first. And this is my peas. Okay, I'm not going to cook all of it. I'm going to put away some, but I just put everything to soak in one. So I'm going to put on my pigtail first and let it boil off. Boil off the salt. And then all of these fats now, you can see the fats. I'm going to cut it all off. Okay, all right. Some people love it with it on it, but I don't like too much fat. So watch the process. I put the water already on, so it's boiling, so I'm going to put it in. So watch the process as I go. So this is my pot with my boiling water, so I'm going to put it in it. I'm going to let it stay there and boil. Okay, so watch as I go. All right, guys. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for bigging up my channel. Thank you for all of those blessing upon your life continuously. Okay? Alright. And I'm cooking this soup now for my little Chrissy. She says she's not 4 years old. I thought she was 4. But she says she's not 4, she's 5. Because she grows so quick, so fast. Because she just born the other day, and she says she is 5 years old. Sorry about that, Chrissy. I didn't really pick up in my mind that you are 5 years old. So I'm apologizing by cooking some red pea soup for you. Let me know if you drink red pea soup. Okay? Alright, so make a comment, Chrissy. Let me know if you drink red pea soup. Okay? Alright, sorry that you're 5-year-old, not 4. Okay, that's my little friend Chrissy. Alright, she knows who she is and she knows where she is. Alright, so watch the process. I'm going to put my peas. can see, guys, they stay there and boil. So any one of them boil first, I take it out. Okay, so watch the process as I go. All right. Yes, but guys, over here now, I'm going to make my dumplings. And I have Irish, and as I say, you put whatever you want to put in your red pea soup, okay? And I have a piece of yam. It's not so good, but it's kind of a good. Alright, and I have some carrots. I have lots of carrots, as I'm going to put some in it also. And maybe I put banana in it, I'm not sure. And I'm over here now. I forgot to take out my cat soup. You put whatever noodle you want to put in your soup. So over here I have my cat soup. I'm going to put 2 or so in it. Alright. So watch the process. I have a piece of squash. And for my soup to get a little body in it, you have to put a little of everything. Okay, so watch the process as I go. I'm going to make my dumpling now. My peas is still cooking, so I'm going to make my dumpling now. My flour. Okay. So watch the process. You see? Making the flour. And as I say, guys, you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Alright. Put anything you want to put in your soup. Anything to make it. It's just a taste. First time we always put like special things in your soup, like a potato or yellow yam to make it. That is nice still. But whatever you have now, you put it in your soup. Because I don't have a yellow yam. I don't have a potato. So I use whatever I have. Okay, so use what you want best for yourself, for your soup. Okay, guys? So watch the process as I go. And guys, you use whatever you want to use in your soup. All right. So this is what I have. So you use whatever you want. Okay. So I have 2 Irish here. I don't have any yellow yam. I don't have any sweet potato. So I'm going to use this. And it's going to bring me out a nice taste. I'm going to put my yam. My yam is not that good. I'm still going to use it. Wow. It's no good. You can see it? No good. It's so, oh my, it's no good. But I cut it out like this. Like this, guys. And let me know what to use in your soup, your red pea soup. Alright. It's not so good, guys. This one no good. No good either. But that's okay. So instead of using the yam, I'm just going to put maybe I put 2 fingers of those bananas. You can see my yam is not good. I'm disappointed. Disappointed, guys. You can see? Try to get something from it. The outside is good, but the inner part is not good. That's okay. Sometimes it is like this. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is a pot now. Alright, I'm putting in my dumplings. And you see my pot? Alright. Over here now, I have my, you can see it? I don't know if you can see. That's the peas. but it is too soft, so I'm going to wait until this is half cooked, then I put the rest in it. Chicken noodle. Okay. Scallion. My thyme, cloves, and rosemary. I boil it and throw it. Okay. See you guys? Alright, let's watch the process. I put in a little slap your mama seasoning in it. Spicy. Not so much though. So you put whatever seasoning you want to put in it. And I'm putting some margarine in it, okay? I don't really use margarine like that, but I'm putting just a little in it. Can you see? Just a little. So my pot there, I put just about every little thing in it. Can you see? I have a pepper here, I'm going to put it in it. Okay? See guys, my subscribers and my viewers, can you see it? Alright Chrissy, yours is coming up now. Chrissy, let me know, make a comment, let me know Chrissy if you drink red pea soup. Alright, this is for you, taking some for you tomorrow. Alright, are you coming over Chrissy? Alright. Alright, then this is my red pea soup. I don't have enough food to put in it, so I try to put every little thing that I have in it. Every little thing I have, I try to put in it, because I don't have like potato and yam and such. Alright, so I just work it whatever I have. Love you guys, my subscribers, I love you guys. Look at my pot of soup. My viewers and my subscriber, bring your dish over, bring your plates over, bring your pot over, and come and get some of my soup. I put the squash in it, so it kind of something, the squash is like something like the pumpkin, so it give it a kind of a yellowish color, but it doesn't matter, it's the taste of it. You can see. And this, Chrissy, let me know if you drink the soup. Okay, see meat for you Chrissy, pigtail with peas in it. You can see my peas. Alright, you can see pigtail. Alright, so it's gonna stay there and simmer for the next. And as I said, this soup may take like an hour to cook. For the peas and the pigtail, if you have a pressure cooker, it will take like 10 minutes. If you have to cook it just like that on the stove, you take like maybe sometimes it take like 3/4 hour to cook. Alright, so I put it in the pressure cooker, so it take like 10 minutes. But for the regular cooking of the soup, it will take like an hour or sometimes hour and a half. But as you can see, my soup is all ready, and you put whatever you want to put in your soup. You see, I put carrot in my red pea soup. You see? Okay. So whatever food you have, and you don't have to have specialize in any food. You just put whatever you have. But if you want to go and buy other foods, fine, that's okay. A yellow yam in this would taste so good. Sweet potato in this would taste so good. But I don't have the sweet potato, so I use the Irish potato. Okay, so you use whatever you want because it tastes good. Mine tastes good, of sure. For sure, it tastes so good. Let me know how you cook your red pea soup with pigtail, and sometimes you can put corned beef in it or whatever. Just let me know. Make a comment. Tell me how you cook yours. This is how I cook mine. I use whatever I have, and you use whatever you have. And if you can manage to buy whatever you want, you buy and you cook your soup. Alright, so make a comment on my red pea soup. Love you, my subscribers. Thank you for viewing. Thank you very much for subscribing. Love you. So it's all finished now. All ready. All ready now, guys. My subscribers, thank you very much. Blessing every time. Okay, take care of yourself.